In this video, we will show you how to replace piston seal. These are the tools that comes with the kit. Seal removal tool and a hex key which is size 5/32. Make sure that you are in the clean environment every time you change anything in the liquid end. Use the hex key to unscrew. Make sure you unscrew them evenly to avoid damaging the piston. In order to remove the seal, use the back side of the seal tool. Grab a new seal and use a tool. Make sure that the spring side is facing downward towards the liquid end. While putting the liquid in back onto the pump housing, make sure the retainer holes are straight. One hole is upward and other one is on the bottom. You want to make sure that these align with the washboards. Same thing again when you are screwing back these screws, go evenly so you don't damage the piston.